Hello everyone and welcome back to the family. I hope everybody's doing amazing today. In today's video, I bring you a power hour. What that means is I'm gonna give you some cleaning motivation and to see how much I can get done in 1 hour. Probably not much, but I'm gonna try. Today's video is actually super special to me because today's video is actually in collaboration with my good YouTube mommy friend at home with Miss Colunga. She's an amazing mom of 4 beautiful adorable children. She does anything and everything. She does cleaning motivational videos, DIYs, vlogs, clean with me, cook with me, you name it. She's awesome. Like, you go check out her channel. Trust me, you won't regret it. Just go check her out. The link is right here. I'll put a picture of her channel. But yes, go show her some love. She's an amazing person. You will not regret it. You will love her. If you like this channel, you'll like her channel. So please go show her some love. I'll put a link down below to her channel and our collaboration video. Please don't forget to go and show her some love. Subscribe to her channel. Thank you, Miss Colunga, for collaborating with me. And if you are from Miss Colunga's channel, welcome to the family. I would love if you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads. In our family, you will see a lot of DIYs, cleaning motivation, hauls, vlogs, home decor, fashion, anything and everything. I have many more videos to come, so I would love for you to join my family so you don't miss any of those. So welcome, big hug, much love. All right, so let's just get to this video. Disclaimer, I guess, excuse the attire. This is actually a video I filmed after work, so it's post weekend, so it's a complete disaster in this home. You will probably also see my teenage boy and little son here because they're helping. Enough talk, let's get to this video and see how much we can get in an hour. right guys, so as you saw, my time came up, but for the most part I think we did pretty good, thanks to the help of my son. Power hour is the way to go when you want to do something really quick. We did just finish. I just have to put away the dishes. I enjoyed filming this video. Hope you guys got some cleaning motivation. Thank you for my YouTube mommy, Miss Colunga, for collaborating with me. I hope you guys go and check her channel out. It's linked below. And also, if you are coming from Miss Colunga, once again, welcome and thank you for staying and joining the family. All right guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.